Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Yeah, it's really interesting that XRP continues to move just sideways, even though Bitcoin has found its running shoes, including Solana, GMX, Aave, some of the coins where we actually identified bullish setups. Yeah, for example, as I said, VeChain, we had GMX, Aave, Rune. I mean, they've all found their running shoes and they are following the structures. Others that are actually still in a sideways holding pattern or rather a downside structure, they don't really show much action. There are of course a few exceptions as well that I will try to update today, like Matic, but nothing changed really looking at the bigger picture. Nevertheless, XRP continues to be in its sideways price range and the situation is fairly unchanged. There is a small addition I've made to the smaller time frame wave count, but turns out that, yeah, it's still very weak, okay, despite the upside pressure we've seen in the ETH and BTC charts and some selected altcoins. So the idea is still that XRP is moving in this sideways range. The range is defined by the red and the green lines. So we've got here support at 45.8 cents and 55.8 cents. A break above 55.8 cents could send the price to around about 63 cents in an alternative yellow WXY wave structure. However, as long as this level is not broken to the upside, I continue to focus on this triangle pattern, and essentially a break below the red support line is expected, and that would be below 45.8 cents. This is basically the breakout point to the downside, key support. It will send us down lower. It's actually the confirmation level for this pattern that it breaks to the downside as you would expect it after a triangle, and the break to the upside is just a breakout point to the upside. At the same time, invalidation point for the triangle. To keep this triangle alive, we need to see lower highs and higher lows. We want to see corrective wave structures, and we want to see the D wave to be completed, which should hit the lower the lower boundary line, the ascending trend line of the triangle. And then we should see an E wave, which should be a lower high, and also should be corrective to complete here the wave structure, the triangle, and then a break to the downside. That break to the downside should essentially take us eventually to 43 cents and below. Okay, so we want to go below the 17th of August low. Now, looking at the detailed wave count, if I go to the 1 hour chart, I think there's still a bit of a chance to go a little higher short term, but the move up looks very corrective. So I'm currently considering the move down, because it was a 3-wave move, as a wave W. The move up will likely be an X wave, and the move down should be a Y wave of wave D. So as soon as we have the X wave complete, we can calculate a target for wave Y of D. And resistance for the wave X is between 53.06 cents and 54.13 cents. This is basically at the same time, you could call it a target for the X wave. And to be honest, even the X wave itself seems to be unfolding as a WXY structure and could go a little bit higher still. Okay. It seems to be moving in somewhat, something like maybe a trend channel. It's not very well defined. Okay, I just highlighted here for info. Yeah, maybe a little bit of a channel. Let's see if it continues to climb higher. As I said before, a break below this ascending trend line here at around 51.4 cents would likely trigger the sell-off in wave Y, which then again should be a 3-wave move, which would be an ABC structure most likely. That's sort of the expectation around the XRP chart. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.